little chat bot thing in Bubble. I was messing around. Bubble has a to-do list competition, so threw this together. But yeah, let's look at the chat. So a lot of people were asking about memory and if it can recall things mentioned previously in the conversation. So let's give it a whirl. Cool. So here it said my name, Moon Kid. I'm gonna probably release a video later this week to show how to get it to display things previously in the conversation. Another thing that's a little tricky with Bubble is when I type, it will go to the most recent message, which is a little less intuitive than you would think in Bubble. So let's see if the memory works. All right, that worked. Cool. And really, you can just keep typing forever. Don't pay attention to these tokens used. That's when I was trying to limit it, but this is just full bore. So you can have an endless conversation. Okay. I don't know any of these places. But anyway, this is the app. You can see it's been quite a bit of dialogue back and forth. Well, it's a pretty boring video. I was thinking maybe do user signups or something to gauge interest, just because there's not really a whole lot. It's just a ton of work to make a video and explain everything. Also, if you can't tell, I'm not the best at videos, so let's just ask it a few more things, and then it's Wednesday right now. Hopefully by Friday I'll have this done because I won't be here this weekend. So all right, that's it.